Assalamualaikum. So, tingnan natin, mag-downgrade tayo ng Rossi Delta 125. 2 years ago, I graded it to 110. And now, I purchased a new carburetor which is 100. So, from 125 to 110 to 100. Sana maging okay to at mas maging matipid sa gasolina. So, ayan, ito yung 110 carburetor ko dati. 2 years na rin to. Ayan, sama na ng sitwasyon niya. So, ayan na ng dinis-dinis. Saka makuha na talaga siya, makuha na sa gasolina, malakas na kumain. Rich mixture na siya, oh. So papalitan natin to siya ng 100. Okay, ito yung bagong 100 carburetor. Okay, ayan, mas maliit to kaysa sa 110. Okay,
come on, come see a new invention. Go up in another plume of smoke. Come laugh at every good intention. Now the punchline of a joke. I tried my best. Check it out, that's the best I got for now. I'm looking for a good idea that doesn't fall apart so fast.
Panda rin natin. Ayos. Okay, minor. Dinis pa rin, eh. Filter. Kabit na yung air filter. Turn on. Mataas yung minor niya. So, adjust natin dito.
I'm looking for a good idea that you can understand. I'm looking for one good thing that doesn't have to fade.
Takip na natin to.
Doesn't need to be great, just need a good idea for once in my life.
Test drive. Mga kababayan, so bagong palit ng aking karburador na 100. So, napakaganda po ng takbo at smooth na smooth. At maraming salamat sa panonood. At huwag niyong kalimutan, i-like ang video na to at i-subscribe ang aking channel, ang OFW Tourister. Assalamualaikum.